Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to discuss about at the rate of qualifier and at the rate of primary annotation in Spring Boot. Let me discuss about at the rate of qualifier annotation first. The qualifier annotation is used to resolve the auto-wiring conflict when there are multiple beans of same type. If we discuss this qualifier annotation thoroughly, if there are more than one instances available for an injection point, then we can use at the rate of qualifier annotation to resolve the ambiguity problem. Let me discuss an example about at the rate of qualifier annotation. Let me create an interface. Let me create an interface first. New interface. Keep that in the dot services package. I will name this interface as vehicle interface. Let me take an example. Finish. Click on finish. This vehicle interface is having an abstract method such as fuel type method. I am taking this method as an abstract method because interfaces has only abstract method, right? Up to Java 7. I am taking the abstract method as public, its return type as string, and the method name is fuel type. Control Shift format and Control C. I am taking this interface name as vehicle interface, which has one abstract method and the method name is fuel type. Let me take two classes, which is car class and bike class. Car class and implement that vehicle interface. Then that vehicle interface is having the method which is fuel type method and the return type is string. That abstract method we overrided in the car class. Sorry. Let me take another class which is bike class. Click on add and implement that method. Click on finish. Here I have implemented the vehicle interface to both of those classes, both of these classes. Yes. Click on delete, control delete, control delete. Yeah. Here I am taking the return type for the car classes. DIESA, diesel, control C, and the bike as petrol, control C format. Save. And one of the most important thing is annotate this class with at the rate of service. And also the car class of at the rate of service. Save the classes. Save the both of the classes and create one package. Click on new class, which is a controller package. Take one class which is some vehicle controller. Name that class as vehicle controller. And annotate this class with @rest controller. Take one method like public, which returns string get fuel types. I'm taking the method name as get fuel types, which returns and now inject that service here in the service interface here, private. That interface name is vehicle, private vehicle control shift O to organize the imports. That will automatically import all the unimported classes or interfaces. Annotate this with @autowire. And now we have injected this interface in the controller class. Take that return type as string type. So by using this reference variable vehicle dot, I'm calling the method fuel type. I'm calling the method fuel type, which is there in the vehicle interface. I'm calling the method fuel type, which is there in the vehicle interface, which is an abstract method. Now annotate this class with @request mapping. I'm taking the URL as something like API, and I annotated this class with @rest controller. Okay, everything is fine. Now save all the classes and run the application. Let me see. Let me check with the output. Run as Spring Boot. Here I did not annotated this controller class with @qualifier. Now let me check with the output what we will get. See here, application failed to start. See the description. Field vehicle in com.java services.controller.vehicle controller required a single bin, but two were found, and the action should be consider marking one of the bins as primary, updating the consumer to accept multiple bins, or qualifier @qualifier to identify the bin that should be consumed. Means we have to use any of those annotations, which is @primary or @qualifier. What happened? Let me discuss. We have created one method in the controller class, which is get fuel types which returns the string type. This fuel type is the abstract method which we are calling from the service interface. Here, if we observe this, we have overridden the fuel type in both of these car bar car, bike classes, there forms the ambiguity. That means here if you open the car class and bike class, we have the same method. We have the same method, which is fuel type method, which is the same method. That forms the ambiguity. That forms the ambiguity. So we must annotate the injection point, which is here. This is the injection point. We must annotate the injection point where we have auto-wired, with at the rate of qualifier, and provide it with the bean. Then let me see, at the rate of qualifier. I'm taking this as car. And now let me start run the application. Run as Spring Boot app. Let me check with the output now. Yes. Application was started. Localhost API. Localhost API. Click on localhost API. Let me check with the output. Here the output is diesel, with which we have provided the return type of car class with the diesel. Yeah. Let me open this and take this as bike. Let me check with it and run again. Spring Boot app. Let me check with the answer. See here, the application is running. I have provided there with the injection point where I have annotated with at the rate of qualifier, and I have provided the bean, which is bike bean. Before I have provided it with at the rate of qualifier annotation and provided with car, no, bike. Let me run the application. See here, the answer is petrol. That is about qualifier at the rate of qualifier annotation, which is one of the best example which I have explained it with you. And let me comment this at the rate of qualifier annotation, comment this at the rate of qualifier annotation, and annotate this service, this car class, with at the rate of primary. And let me check with the answer. Shut down this workflow and run it again. Run as Spring Boot. Okay, at the rate of primary, I have annotated car class with at the rate of primary. At the rate of primary, if we annotate any class with at the rate of primary, the class will have the highest priority to execute. This class will have the highest priority. Means, let me see with the, check with the answer. See, here I have commented the at the rate of qualifier annotation. Let me check with the answer. The answer should be like at the rate of primary, means diesel should be the answer. Let me see. Here, this is about at the rate of qualifier and at the rate of primary annotation. That's all for today. I think you have all understood this. Thank you. Congrats.